So today is different. It is something that I thought I would never see. This video today is more exciting than when I got this tool last week. I have no more fancy editing. All right, guys, welcome back. My name is John, and if you're new to this channel, I'm going to be releasing one new video per week. Jumping into today's video, I just got this package at the door. I already opened it, I'm sorry. I did not buy a Klein flat blade screwdriver. We bought two, baby. Look at that. I got two of these brand new off of the shelf from a store in Louisiana, I believe. And no, I did not pay $50 for one of them. I paid $48 for both of them, brand new. This is like one of the rarest finds possibly in existence. These are extremely hard to find because they stopped making them about 2 to 5 years ago, like I said in the last video. But to find them brand new on the shelf is literally unheard of. So when the guy said that he had them on the shelf, I immediately told him I want both of them. And I also didn't believe him until they just arrived at my door. But both of these brand new, fully square, everything. So this is like, I literally can't even think of any way to describe this. I'm literally just gonna hang one of these on the wall because just the story in itself is just so wonderful. Unless someone wants to pay like 4 digits, then don't talk to me. So that's basically all I have for today's video. I just wanted to share this moment with you. I know a lot of people might not understand this moment, and I completely get that. There's people that are excited about really weird things, I would say, in their life. But this is my weird obsession. I'm not ashamed of it at all. They are literally unopened. You can see that the rivets have never been removed. But I'm going to open this one right now just for the haters. Just because I like to use my tools. I don't buy tools to collect them, except now I kind of am because I'm pretty much gonna hang that on the wall because that's literally like art to my eyes. So anyways, I'm gonna open this one right here, right now. Actually gonna do the honors with my old screwdriver. So this is, now I have 3 of these. Actually, this is gonna be a lot more challenging than I thought. So I'm gonna bring in the reinforcements. All right, so now that I'm ready, I got in the big guns, the glow backups, the rest of the set, except for the 6-in-1. So if you have the 6-in-1, please sell it to me because I really want it. And this is not a joke. I really need the 6-in-1 to complete my set. I'll pay you top dollar, but not too much. So anyways, I'm going to open this up right now with my tools. How are you supposed to even open these things, man? It's been so long since I got a new tool. There we go. Popped the rivet right there. Right there, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Literally my whole body is just like electrifying right now. Of this glorious moment. Literally speechless. On the top here it says 6054 GLW, which is the model number of this specific part. On the Phillips it is the 6034 GLW, and on the 6-in-1 it's too many numbers and letters to remember. So if you have a 6-in-1, please, I'm not joking you, please let me buy it from you. Things are going to be changed for 2022 on this channel. And I also bought like 30 tools, so expect a lot of tool videos possibly. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for all the tools that I just bought that I can't wait to show you. They'll be here within the next 2 weeks. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. As the holidays come around this year, remember, glow up, don't throw up. See you guys. Woo, baby! Look how bright that is. That's just amazing. Go get yourself some glow tools if you can, because when they're gone, they're gone.